This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got something extra special. Thanks to my buddy the Fat Hipster. He does interesting reviews on YouTube, and he likes instant noodles and all sorts of weird stuff that he'll try out. He's even had s'mores Pepsi, which sounds really odd, but that's cool. We've got some Samyang Foods Jjamppong, Buldak Jjamppong, Buldak Bokomyeon Jjamppong from South Korea. This one is not one you can find in the States yet. I don't know what the deal is, but hopefully all things Buldak will show up in the US of A at some point. But it is time to give this a go. There will be a mukbang. Even though I don't really feel like doing a mukbang, there's gonna be a mukbang. Mukbang, mukbang. So, what's different about this one? This one goes in last. But we got our noodle water ready. I've got a little bit of, what do you call it? Cabbage in it. Cabbage works wonders. I'd be like, cabbage? What do you mean cabbage? I'm telling you, cabbage. Alright? Get with it. Cabbage is wonderful. I had a Jjamppong variety when I was in Taiwan. Last trip to Taiwan. We went to this little place called Love Instant Noodles. And they had a restaurant. And what you could do is you could pick what kind of instant noodles you wanted off of a wall. And then they had a different sets of things you can have with them. And I was like, you know, I'm going to try that Korean jjamppong. And they put cabbage in. And it was really, really good. And I was absolutely thrilled. And that was a great experience. So that's what is going to happen here. So it's dumping outside. It is really dark. I don't know if you can tell, but it is dreariness outside. Just nasty. You want to go outside? Let me get this going and make sure it's not going to boil over, and then we can go outside because we got a couple minutes. But yeah. And it's warmer today. It's like 50 degrees. Walking around in 50-degree weather with a coat? Yeah, no. Not my teacup. Not my cup of tea. No, sir. So this one is a soupy one. Not something you see too incredibly often in the Buldak varieties. They've got the new lime habanero, which is out now in the States. That one's soupy. Of course, the stew type is soupy. Trying to think what else is. Not a lot. Not a lot. 550 mils of water. I mean, this is a soup. So let's turn the heat down a little bit. It's burbling. Yeah. And I'm gonna do a mukbang. Even though I don't really feel like it, I'll do a mukbang. But yeah, let's go outside. Are you ready? Let's go. Anyway, here's my stove. My devices. See if it does anything trippy. No, not gonna do anything trippy. And yeah, bubble, 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 bubble. Let's head out here. Yeah, it's raining pretty good. Raining pretty good today. Drip, 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 drip. Speed Whoops. There's our collection of little porch things. We got Buddha, cat missing an arm. I don't know what this one is. I found that at a thrift store. Our turtle, our little garden gnomes, and our oh, what's he called? Tanuki. Yeah, I gotta have a tanuki. So yeah, it's crummy out. I'm bummed. And what else is going on? Oh yeah, come in here. Yeah, I'm setting up a computer for the kids that I've had here for a long time. But finally, we went to the store yesterday and got this table. And yeah, this old HP box, so hopefully it'll do stuff and they can be on iReady. But yeah, and then we have the enormo clock. It's an enormous clock. Yeah. Anyways, thought you might enjoy a trip. Oh, here's a poster. A Lego poster. And here's a poster. Check that out. Speaking of Buldak, right? This is really old. This is like right when Buldak came out. Well, at least when the 2X Spicy came out. And this came off of a NES Mini. Yeah. Oh, you should come look at this. My visit to My Koali in 2014. One of their adverts that everybody signed. My visit to Mama in 2015. Presented me with this nice little golden thing. Judge Judy and other judge and Ponch and John and all the Star Trek people and Mr. Chang from V. He was actually doing a lot of other stuff. This weird guy here, Total Recall, Mama's Family, Batman and Robin, and Moogie. And people from generally all sorts of different news things. Oh yeah, and her. All right, it is done. All right, here we are. We're back in the thick of it. We have done what we needed to do. Okay. Now, how are we doing? Wow. That smells good. It smells very tomatoey. Like that. We'll add our oil. Spashy oil. I don't know how spicy this is really going to be. It smells good. It's got a nice broad noodle. Got a lot of little meaty bits. I want to try it right now. Check those out. I'm going to try it right now. Oh, mushrooms. This style of noodle for jjamppong is what the other one had too. Kind of broad and flat. That's like the new style Korean noodle. All these companies started using it a while back, and then it kind of ceased to be used. I don't know why. The broth is very dark. That taste right there makes me wonder if I want to even bother doing a mukbang. It's just not of the class of heat. Well, it's building a little, I should say. I'll do a mukbang. I'm not going out walking. That which kind of makes me feel bad that if I do a mukbang, it's just like, dude, you got to work off that mukbang. But it's Thanksgiving week. I mean, what are you gonna do? And since it's a seafoody kind of thing, we've got some fish cake. We don't want to eat plastic. If you're wondering, yeah, I get like pieces of I get like a cane of Narutomaki, and I get what's the other one? Kamaboko. And then I take that and I go on Amazon and I buy these little dime baggies. I guess that's what you can call them, right? And yeah, I just like slice it up and throw it in a Ziploc bag in the freezer, and I'm good. Got some carved squid. Some more carved squid. Shrimp. I'm going to, it's a very colorful broth, so I want that color to be on everything. Especially the shrimp, it's so stark. But yeah, I really like carved squid. Carved squid makes me smile, especially the fact that I discovered what the heck those pine cone looking things in noodles were all those years ago. The heck is that? What are those things? Yeah, I was always confused by, well, it's been a while since I was, but I'd see Korean noodle packaging. I'm like, what the heck is that? Is that like a mushroom or something? Then somebody clued me in. Ask a question, get an answer. Put a little bit of bean sprout on there. But this one's a good, I really like this as far as Buldak varieties go. I'm impressed. A little bit of seed. And let's make it so you can see those noodles a little better, huh? We used to do a thing on the ramenraider.com called Show Your Noodles. And people would keep sending in images, because we would have like, oh my god. No thank you. We would have like a weekly pick of who won the prize, and my wife would do that. And the ones that would never win were ones, she's like, it's called Show Your Noodles. I'm not even seeing the noodles in this one because they covered it up with so much garnish. That was fun. I always think of reinstating that, but we'll see. She does gluten-free now. She can't even eat noodles. So. Rotato. Folks, well, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna do the mukbang now, so that won't be on this episode. It'll be on the next episode, so keep your eyes peeled. Actually, it won't be on an episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's gonna be an episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show. So look for that. And yeah, it's been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good